Good morning. Welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Good morning, Anna. I am looking for some fresh fruit. Where is the fruit section?
The fruit and vegetables are at the front of the store. They are in the first aisle.
Thank you for the direction. I need to buy apples and bananas.
The apples are in the big wooden box. The bananas are hanging above.
I see the bananas now. Are these bananas ripe enough?
Yes, they are perfectly ripe today. They are ready to eat now.
Great. I will take 5 yellow bananas. They look very good.
Do you need a small plastic bag for the apples? They help keep them fresh.
Yes, please give me a small bag. I will choose 6 red apples.
Take your time to choose the best ones. I can help you weigh them later.
Thank you. Now, where can I find the milk? I need 2 cartons.
The milk is in the refrigerator section. It is in the middle of the store.
The refrigerator section. Is that near the cheese?
Yes, the cheese is right next to the milk. We have many kinds of cheese.
I will look for the whole milk first. I need the blue carton.
Be careful. The floor near the refrigerators might be wet.
Thank you for the warning. I will walk slowly there.
Do you need a basket for your items? It will be easier to carry.
Yes, please give me a basket. The fruit is already heavy.
Here is a clean green basket for you. It has wheels too.
Oh, a basket with wheels. That is very helpful.
Is there anything else I can guide you to now?
Not right now, thank you. I will look for the milk now.
Good luck with your shopping. I will see you at the checkout.
See you later, Anna. Excuse me, Anna. I am here by the milk now. I have a question.
Yes, Tom? Are you having trouble finding the right milk?
I see many different types of milk. Which carton is the whole milk?
The whole milk is usually in the blue carton. It has 3% fat.
Thank you. I need 2 blue cartons of whole milk.
Please check the expiration date on the top. Make sure it is fresh.
I am checking the date now. It is good for 5 more days.
That is good. Now, do you also need to buy butter?
Yes, I forgot the butter. Where is the butter kept?
The butter is in the next refrigerator case. It is next to the yogurt.
Thank you. I see the yogurt now. Is the butter salted or unsalted?
Most people buy the salted butter. It is the most common one.
I will take 1 pack of salted butter. It looks yellow and cold.
Are you planning to buy any eggs today? They are also nearby.
Yes, I need eggs too. Where are the chicken eggs?
The eggs are on the shelf above the butter. They are in brown cartons.
I need 12 eggs. I will take 1 carton now.
Please be very careful with the egg carton. Do not drop it.
I will be very careful with the fragile eggs. They break easily.
Do you want to buy some cheese now? The cheese is very delicious.
Yes, I need a small piece of cheddar cheese.
The cheddar is on the left side of the display. It is wrapped in yellow plastic.
I found the cheese. Thank you for your guidance.
You are welcome, Tom. Let me know if you need help with the freezer section.
Thank you. I will continue my shopping now. Anna, I found you again. I have a question about rice.
Hello, Tom. Are you in the main food aisle now?
Yes, I am looking at all the pasta and rice. I need a bag of rice.
We have long grain rice and brown rice. Which one do you want?
I want the long grain rice, please. It is good for my recipes.
It is on the top shelf. Can you reach the bag easily?
No, I cannot reach the top shelf. It is too high for me.
I am sorry. Please wait 1 moment. I will get the small ladder.
Thank you very much for your help. I will stand back.
Here is the ladder. I will climb up and get the rice bag for you.
Thank you, Anna. Be careful when you climb up there.
I am fine. Here is your bag of long grain rice. It is a 1 kilogram bag.
Thank you. 1 kilogram is the perfect size for me.
Do you also need to buy some bread for breakfast?
Oh, yes, bread. Where is the fresh bread kept?
The bread is at the very end of this aisle. It is freshly baked today.
I need a loaf of white sliced bread. Is it available now?
Yes, we have fresh white bread now. It smells wonderful.
I will go and take 1 loaf of the sliced bread.
Are you buying any cans of soup today? The soup is also nearby.
No, thank you. I do not need soup today. Maybe next week.
Do you need flour or sugar for baking at home?
No, my kitchen is full of those items now. Thank you.
That is great. I hope you found everything in this long aisle.
Yes, thank you to your kind assistance. Excuse me, Anna, I must find one more thing.
Hello, Tom. You are almost finished with your shopping list.
Yes, I need to find toothpaste. Where is the dental section?
That section is near the front of the store again. It is next to the pharmacy.
Near the pharmacy. I will walk back there now.
The toothpaste aisle is green and white. It has many small boxes.
I see the green and white colors now. There are many brands here.
Do you need the large tube or the small travel tube?
I need the large tube of toothpaste. It lasts longer for me.
We have mint flavor and original flavor. Which one do you want?
I will take the mint flavor, please. It makes my mouth feel fresh.
Also, do you need a new toothbrush? They are on the top rack.
No, my toothbrush is new. I do not need another one.
We also have soap for washing your hands. It is a very good price.
I will take 1 bar of hand soap. I need it for the bathroom.
The soap is also mint scented. Do you like that smell?
Yes, I like the mint smell. It is a very clean smell.
Good. Now you are almost ready to check out.
Yes, only one more thing. Where is the frozen pizza?
The frozen items are in the big freezer chests. They're at the end of the store.
The big freezer chests. I will go there now.
Be careful, the freezer section is very cold.
I will grab the pizza quickly. I will not stay there long.
Which kind of pizza are you looking for today?
I want a pepperoni pizza. It is my favorite kind.
I hope you find the last item easily.
Thank you for all your help finding everything.
Hello, Tom. Welcome to the checkout counter. Your shopping is complete.
Hello, Anna. Yes, I found everything on my list.
Please put all your items on the moving belt now.
I am putting the milk and eggs first. I will be careful with them.
I will scan the barcode on each item now. The price is appearing on the screen.
The price seems correct for the rice and the butter.
Now, I am scanning your fruit. The bananas are $3.
Yes, $3 for the 5 bananas. That is fair.
Now, I am scanning the heavy items. Your frozen pizza is next.
The pizza is $10. It is a bit expensive, but I like it.
Do you need any small plastic bags for your items?
Yes, I need 2 bags, please. I have many small items.
The plastic bags cost 10 cents each. I will add that to your total.
That is fine. I will pay for the bags.
Your total cost for all items is $38.75. Is that okay?
Yes, the total is acceptable. I will pay now.
How would you like to pay today? Cash or credit card?
I will pay with my credit card. Here is my card now.
Please insert your card into the machine. Push the green button.
I inserted the card and pushed the button. The payment is going through.
Thank you. The payment is complete and successful.
Great. I can take my bags now.
I will help you put the heavy items in the bag first.
Thank you, Anna. That is very thoughtful of you. Anna, you packed the bags very quickly. Thank you.
You are welcome, Tom. I always try to be fast for our customers.
The bags are heavy now. I must carry them home carefully.
Be careful on the street. It is a little windy outside now.
I will hold the bags tightly. I do not want to drop the eggs.
Here is your receipt from the machine. Do you need it?
Yes, please give me the receipt. I need to check the prices later.
Here is the receipt with your total cost and all the items.
Thank you for the receipt. Everything looks correct here.
Did you find everything you needed today? I hope so.
Yes, thanks to your help, I bought everything on my list.
That is my job. I am happy to help you find items easily.
You are the best shop assistant here. You know the store very well.
Thank you for the compliment. I work here every day.
I will come back next week for more groceries.
We look forward to seeing you here again soon.
What time do you open tomorrow morning?
We open at 7 a.m. every day. We are open very early.
Good. I might come early for fresh bread then.
We will have fresh bread waiting for you.
Thank you, Anna. Have a good afternoon.
You too, Tom. Have a safe journey home with your groceries.